Good morning, student. Dear student, today we are going to discuss subject biology, chapter cell. The fundamental unit of life, cell. Fundamental means base. Cell is the base of life. Unit means a single thing which is complete in yourself. So we are called cell is the structural and functional unit of life. What is the living beings made up of? Living beings made up of cell. Cell is the smallest unit of life. Our earth is inhabited by different kinds of living organisms who look very different from each other. These living organisms are archaebacteria, eubacteria, protista, amoeba, chlamydomonas, fungi, plants, and animals. These are different types of living organisms. The bodies of living organisms are made up of microscopic units called cells. Living organism body is made of smallest unit. These are called cell. The cell has same central position in biology as an atom in the physical science. The cell is the basic structural and functional unit of living organism. In present day, cells share common fundamental properties. For instance, all cells employ DNA as their genetic material. सेल्स में डीएनए जेनेटिक मटेरियल प्रेजेंट होता है. आर सराउंडेड बाय ए प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन. सराउंडेड लेयर हमारी प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन प्रेजेंट होती है. एंड यूज द सेम बेसिक मैकेनिज्म फॉर एनर्जी मेटाबॉलिज्म. On the other hand, present day cells have evolved a variety of different lifestyles. Many organisms such as bacteria, both archaebacteria and eubacteria, protozoa, amoeba and yeast consist of a single cell called unicellular organism. These are all animals. All functions performed by a single cells. So these animals are called unicellular organism. That are capable of independent self-replication. Unicellular organisms are capable independent self-replications. More complex organism called multicellular organism. Complex organism, many types of cells present and many organs are present, and all organism called multicellular organism. In multicellular organism, all functions are performed by a different cells. The human body, for example, is composed of more than 200 different kind of cells. In human body, composed different kinds of cells, each specialized for such distinctive functions as memory, sight, movement and digestion. Each cell perform a special function. The diversity exhibited by the many different kinds of cells is striking. For example, consider the difference between bacteria and the cells of human brain. All cells, whether they exist as one called organism, one cells organism, unicellular organism, or as a part of multicellular organism, are capable of carrying out certain basic functions such as nutrition, respiration, growth, and reproduction. These functions are essential for the survival of cells. In unicellular cells, all functions are performed by a single cell and other. In multicellular cells, all functions are performed by a different cells. Difference between unicellular and multicellular organism. In unicellular organism represented by a single cells, all activities of the organism are performed by a single cells. There is no division of labor as the single cells perform all life activities. Reproduction consumes a single cells. The lifespan of an individual is short. In multicellular organism, a multicellular organism consists of large number of cells. A single cells perform one or few activities of the organism. Cells are specialized to perform different functions of the body so that there is a division of labor within cells. In multicellular cells, different function perform a special cells. So division of labor present in the cells. Only some cells of the body called germ cells take part in reproduction in multicellular cells. Other cells are somatic or remain intact cells. The lifespan of the individual is long. Discovery of the cell. While studying a thin slice of cork, Robert Hooke saw that the cork resembled a structure of honeycomb consisting of many little compartments. Cell is discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. Cork is a substance which is obtained from the bark of a tree. कॉर्क सब्सटेंस हमारा ट्री की बार्क में प्रेजेंट होता है. This was in the year 1665 when Hooke made this chance discovery through a self-designed microscope. रॉबर्ट हुक ने सेल्फ डिजाइन माइक्रोस्कोप से सेल की डिस्कवरी की. रॉबर्ट हुक called these boxes cells. रॉबर्ट हुक ने बॉक्सेस मतलब एक कॉर्क में छोटे छोटे रूम टाइप्स देखे तो उसे उन्होंने सेल का नाम दे दिया. सेल इन लैटिन मीन्स लिटिल रूम. सेल का जो लैटिन मीन्स होता है वो हमारा होता है लिटिल रूम. रॉबर्ट हुक्स डिस्कवरी वाज इम्पोर्टेंट बिकॉज इट इंडिकेट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम दैट लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म consisted of a number of smaller structure of units.